Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure power and signal are solid. First, verify the monitor LED and that the power strip or outlet is switched on. Next, unplug both power and video cables and reseat them firmly. Loose connectors commonly trigger power save. If you have a spare HDMI/DisplayPort or another computer, swap quickly to isolate the monitor versus PC. Once done, keep one change at a time so you know which action fixed it. You now tackle signals and configuration. Use the monitor OSD to manually pick the correct input and turn off any auto scan that might flip inputs into sleep. On your computer, open display settings and explicitly set the monitor as active, choose duplicate or extend, and set the resolution and refresh rate to the monitor's native specs. Then update or reinstall the GPU driver. Outdated drivers can fail handshake and trigger power save. After you finish with resets and deeper fixes, do a factory reset using the OSD to clear corrupt settings, then unplug power for 30 seconds and plug back in to force a full reboot. If the issue persists, check Dell for firmware updates and apply them per instructions. Firmware can resolve persistent handshake faults. If still stuck, swap the cable or try a different outlet. If none of that works, call Dell support and provide the model and serial so they can escalate hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.